Welcome to the Python programming series by Shubharanjani from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Engineering. In today's video, we will cover three important concepts related to the Python list, which is mutability, alias, and cloning. These concepts are essential for managing data effectively in Python. Let's get started. Understanding and the mutability of list. List in Python are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements after they are created. Their flexibility allows you to change, add, or remove elements in a list without creating a new one. For example, here we modify the second element of the list, adding new element and remove one. This demonstrates the mutable nature of lists. Okay, let's see what is alias. Alias occurs when two or more variables refer the same list in memory. Any changes made to the list using one variable will, will affect the list when accessing by the other variable. Here, fruits and same fruits both reference the same list in memory. Any modification made through same fruits also affect the original fruits list due to aliasing. Next is cloning list to avoid unintended modifications. To avoid unintended modifications caused by alias, you can clone a list. Cloning creates a new list that is a copy of the original, preventing changes from affecting both lists. There are two types of copy. First one is shallow copy, second one is deep copy. First one, shallow copy. A shallow copy creates a new list, but the elements inside it are still references to the objects in the original list. You can perform a shallow copy using the copy method or slicing. In this example, we use both copy method and slicing to create shallow copies of the fruit list. Modifying the copy does not affect the original list. Next is deep copy. A deep copy creates a new list and recursively copies all objects in the original list. This is especially useful when the list contains other mutable objects like lists. Example: the deep copy function creates a deep copy of the list of lists. Modifying the deep copy does not affect the original nested list. Okay, now let's see some of the practical examples to avoid unintended modifications. First, when passing lists to functions, alias can lead to unintended side effects. Cloning a list before passing it to a function can help avoid such issues. In this example, the copy method prevents the original list from being modified inside the function. The original fruits list remains unchanged. Safe list modification with deep copy. In this example, like we can say, deep copying is actually essential when dealing with nested list, as it ensures the modification to the deep copy don't affect the original data structure. Here in this example, using deep copy ensures that changes made inside the modified nested list function do not affect the original nested list. Okay, summary of key concepts. To summarize, the lists in Python are mutable, which means their elements can be changed. Aliasing occurs when two or more variables reference the same list in memory. When cloning creates a new copy to avoid unintended modification, deep copying is especially useful when working with nested lists. How now these are the various examples and coding for whatever topics that we saw today. First one is mutability of list. Here creating a list, then we did modification, then adding an element, then we removed an element from the list. Next we created an alias by using the list. Then we modified the list through alias. Then in that we have two types, which is shallow copy and deep copy. First one, shallow copy. In shallow copy, by using the copy method, we used to copy the list. Then after that, using slicing also we can do the shallow copy. Next is deep copy. First we created a list, then we did deep copy and we modified the deep copy. Then at last, to avoid unintended modification, we can use append methods to append values to the list. Then we did copy the elements to avoid unintended modification. Next is safe list modification to avoid unintended modification in nested list. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has provided you with a solid understanding of mutability, aliasing, and cloning list in Python. Stay tuned for more videos in our Python programming series. If you have any queries or need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Happy coding!